India has upped its efforts at restoring the economic losses it suffered due to world's biggest and longest lockdown and subsequent slowdown in the market. While its invite last week to the international corporations is paying off, the easing of restrictions in almost every sector is bringing the economy back on track. Tech giant Google has committed to invest $10 billion over next 5 years in India. Recently, Prime Minister Modi also appealed other countries to increase cooperation in trade and other sectors in order to revamp global economy.
Indian Prime Minister, who in the previous week invited the major companies across the world to invest in India, has now urged the democratic and developed nations to increase cooperation so that the corona-ravaged trade and economy could be revamped. The world's economy has been ravaged by the weeks of lockdown and sudden rise of COVID-19 cases. Countries are now mulling over safety measures-driven alternatives to restart the economic activities in phased manner. India and its other South Asian neighbors have opened almost all sectors.
कोविड-19 के बाद आर्थिक क्षेत्र में वैश्विक स्तर पर नई समस्याएं उत्पन्न हो गई। इसके लिए डेमोक्रेटिक राष्ट्रों के बीच अधिक सहयोग की आवश्यकता हम सब महसूस करते हैं। रूल्स बेस्ड इंटरनेशनल ऑर्डर पर विभिन्न प्रकार के दबाव है। ऐसे में भारत ईयू पार्टनरशिप आर्थिक पुनर्निर्माण में और एक मानव केंद्रित और मानवता केंद्रित ग्लोबलाइजेशन के निर्माण में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा सकती है।
New Delhi is also seeking a huge investment in the country. Google Inc. has committed to invest around $10 billion in India in next 5 to 7 years. Google says its investment will largely be focused at the growth of apps and software platforms in the country. And for that, it has already bought a 7.7% stake worth $4.5 billion in Jio Platforms. Indian company Reliance has attracted global business giants from the United States in the past few months, with Facebook buying shares worth $5.7 billion in the month of April this year.
Our investment of $4.5 billion in Jio is the first and the biggest investment we will make through this fund. I'm excited that our joint collaboration will focus on increasing access for hundreds of millions of Indians who don't currently own a smartphone, while improving the mobile experience for all.
Google and Jio are partnering to build an Android-based smartphone operating system. Through this partnership, we are confident that we can accelerate the national mission of putting a smart device in the hands of every Indian.
With its rapidly improving business atmosphere, India has become one of the top investment attractions, with country securing a position in the first 10 nations with most foreign direct investment. As per the experts, a nearly $50 billion FDI of previous year is poised to grow further this year. Investors across the world are also believing that China, which was favorite pick for major companies around the world until previous year, cannot be trusted anymore. And it is not just the origin and spread of corona, but a rapidly evolving domestic political situation and China's increasing aggression against almost everyone around has exposed its expansionist intentions.